In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Prime Gaming. If you have an Amazon Prime membership, you already have access to Prime Gaming at no extra cost. It used to be called Twitch Prime, and it unlocks a bundle of perks built for gamers. You'll get free PC games you can keep, rotating in-game items for popular titles, and one free Twitch channel subscription every month, along with chat badges, emotes, and expanded color options on Twitch. Let's start by getting you in. Open your web browser and head to gaming.amazon.com. You can also visit luna.amazon.com if you're exploring Amazon's gaming services. Sign in with the same Amazon account that has your Prime membership. If you see a prompt to confirm your Prime status, follow it so your benefits are recognized on the site. Once you're in, find the Game section. This is where the monthly free games and current offers live. Browse the titles, then click Claim on anything you want. Sometimes you'll download the game directly from Amazon's launcher. Other times you'll receive a redeem code for platforms like Epic Games, GOG, or Steam. Just follow the on-screen instructions, and if a code is provided, redeem it in the relevant launcher. Here's an important tip. Once you claim a free game during its active window and redeem it if required, it's yours to keep, even if you cancel Prime later. The key is to claim and redeem before the offer expires. For in-game content such as skins, boosters, or currency, click Claim on the item you want. Many of these perks require you to link your game account, like linking your Riot account for League of Legends. The site will guide you through a secure linking flow. After linking, the loot should appear the next time you log into the game. It may take a few minutes, so be patient. Now for your free Twitch channel subscription. First, make sure your Twitch account is linked to your Amazon account under Prime Gaming settings. Then go to the Twitch channel you want to support, click Subscribe, and select Use Prime Sub. This gives you a full monthly subscription with the usual perks. Remember, it does not auto-renew. You'll need to come back each month and resubscribe. Many viewers find this is easiest in a desktop browser rather than the mobile app. To get the most from Prime Gaming, check back every month because games and loot rotate regularly. Linking your relevant game accounts early will make future claims seamless. That's it. Log in, claim, redeem, and enjoy your perks.